Good morning, it's Sunday. I don't know what state I look like I'm in, but we've just woken up. We stayed in the homestay last night. It's super cold right now, it's very fresh. It was alright last night, me and Hannah shared the double bed. So we had like 12 blankets, so it wasn't too bad. But this is basically the room that we were in. There's 2 singles and 1 double. It's just super cold. We got breakfast in a couple of minutes. I'm just bursting for the toilet. How beautiful is that sound? Literally just the sounds of the waves. Well, it's pancakes for brekkie. I'm just so cold. Oh, wonderful. Oh. Well, we are leaving Mama Huanna's house. We're going to get on the boat again to go to another island. I think it's another couple of hours away. Yes. Gracias.
Adios.
Adios. And we're off. Adios, Isla Amatani. We're on another island now. I don't know what this one's called. Something starts with a T. God, I'm out of breath already. We're just walking to the plaza, the main square, to watch the men knit, which is like a human heritage thing. And then more walking to lunch and mezzo, and then more walking back to the boat, and then back to Puno. Oh, I thought I was going to see knitting men. Well, this is the plaza. It's quite big for an island. I came up the stairs because I thought there would be knitting men, but it was just a room full of things that they've knitted. All I want now is a chocolate bar, I'm not gonna lie.
There's a shop over there which looks chocolate.
I know.
It says ice cream as well, but I couldn't see any.
We came to see the knitting men, but it's Sunday, so the knitting men are not here. So we're just sat in the square for the next 25 minutes with knitting Hannah. We just bought chocolate bars, which was 6 sol each.
6.25.
Sorry, 6.25 sol each. Hannah bought a Coke for 4 sol, and I got some Doritos for 1 sol. I also bought a bracelet for 1 sol, as did Hannah. Yeah, not much excitement happening here, to be honest. Still beautiful though. No gracias. There's some sheep down there and it's an amazing view. But yeah, Hannah just want lunch now. This rock's shaped like love hearts. I'm just waiting for the shadows to go. Man's heart, woman's heart. Woman's heart is definitely bigger though because men are assholes.
Thank you. I'm trying my best.
How cute is this place for lunch? I want to sit the sunny side.
This is my table.
He's making a hat. I'm having a small knitting lesson with 5 needles. And the hat that he's wearing says he's single.
Yeah. Okay. Aquí falta.
More quinoa soup, but it looks unreal.
Muy bien.
It's got cabbage in it.
Okay.
And bread and salsa. Hannah's got the fish she always wanted.
I haven't had fish in ages.
Chips and rice and lime. So I got the omelette because obviously I don't like fish. There was only olives in there, which was the vegetables, so I picked them out. Put some quinoa soup on the rice, give it some flavour, and we got some chips. Hannah's having a nightmare. I feel like I'm just going to set this up and let the camera just roll with the commentary of the bones.
Yeah,
Just have a fun. Just have a fun. Apparatief, le falta su malete, ¿sí? Still? Aquí espera.
Such clear water, it's beautiful. Well, we are getting back on the boat and heading to Puno. And then our bus is at 11:30. Yep, so then we've got 6+ hours to kill. But we're gonna go find some nice food
6 hours,
and chill.
3 till 9 is 6 hours.
Until 11:30.
It's the whole like.
Back in Puno.
We keep walking slowly, please. Vamos despacio. Okay.
Back in Puno. Exchanging some money. Cambio. We are back in Puno. We've just chilled out in the hostel for hours. I tried to edit videos. My hard drive is not working, so I need to try and find one, but apparently hard drives don't exist in Puno, so I need to wait for either Arequipa or Cusco. But we are just off to get some dinner. Oh yeah, showers doesn't work either, or we weren't allowed to shower, so that's fun. But we're off to get some dinner, and then we have our overnight bus to Arequipa, which should arrive about 5:30 in the morning. Woohoo! Oh, we made it to dinner. Cheers. Hannah's got Coke. Me and Jack have Inca Cola. Cheers to 5 weeks. So we've gone for alpaca in a red wine salsa sauce with mashed potato. Hannah's got the same as well. And Jack's got falafel with ciabatta bread, cucumber sauce. Excited? Okay, I want you to just tell me how it is. Hannah eating round 2.
Coming from the side, probably the worst thing to do.
Huh?
Coming from the side is the worst thing to do.
The mash is very, very, very creamy.
Creamy? Like bad creamy?
No, just threw me off a bit creamy. Well, it's a bit rough.
It's a sweet sauce and it's rough. It's tough on the mouth.
Very sweet sauce.
It's like almost want some bread to sop up my.
It's very tasty. Very sweet sauce. Agricon gas strikes again. But yeah, we're gonna eat this. Eating like a king. Affogato.
With chocolate cake. Oh, maybe it's coffee ice cream. Oh no.
I saw that happening. I did.
I can't.
You tried it?
No.
Go for it.
I think it's coffee. Oh, now I'm confused. I don't know. It's pretty bad. A lot of coffee.
Hurry up.
I'm trying to get us like. None of you maybe do.
Oh my god.
Happy wife, happy life.
Happy Amy.
Thank you. Jam. Yeah. Get the chocolate away from the jam. You don't even finish what's in your mouth before you get another mouthful. That's unnecessary. So fucking.
You're allowed to swear at me.
No, we're not giving her. In your hair. We're not giving her airtime anymore because now she's just being silly.
We finally gave in and bought some gloves.
And we paid
nice.
9 sol each.
Yeah.
Which is
So she started off at 15 sol each for ours and 8.
How are you working out that you paid 9 sol for yours?
Yeah, Jack should have paid.
That means I paid 12 for mine. I might cost 8.
Oh well, we'll figure it out later. Anyway, so they're meant to be 3 pairs, they're meant to be 38 sol. And you say, oh, muy caro, too expensive. Rebajame por favor, which is, can it be cheaper please? And she went down to 35, and then she went down to 32, and we got down to 30. So, bargain. Bloody bargain. And we got some gloves, which I'm happy about.